Hello everyone, welcome back to another day of my app journey. And as you know, last day I was releasing my app onto the App Store and I filled all the details, created the screenshots, and everything went smoothly. I uploaded my application for the review, and today morning there was one issue they have raised, that they were not able to log in into my application. And I understood what the issue was, and I provided them the phone login credentials for the testing credentials, basically for logging into my application. But I'm not sure whether they will be using the phone login, though I have written everything in detail for them. But I don't know, maybe they can raise another issue that they specifically want to log in with email and password, though I don't think Apple should do this. And I think Apple is advanced enough to understand to log into the application using phone credentials. In fact, Play Store did, for the Play Store, when I was putting my app for close testing and releases, they also took my phone credentials, testing credentials, and logged into the application. But let's see, I have again put it all things in the review. I have replied to their message, and let's see what happens. For today, the plan is about three things that needs to be completed. First is the at late night I was thinking about the category thing, and one or two categories are not fitting up. Second is the issue with the messaging part. There was one error that I was receiving that I need to look up into. And third very important thing is for the marketing part. So if you are following me on Instagram channel or somewhere, you see that I have uploaded last day only one reel and two posts there, which I actually got from one of the marketing agencies that I connected with. But I'm still, there is one friend I know. I don't know whether we will partner up or not for this marketing stuff, but let's see what happens. If everything goes smoothly, I will get in touch with him and get the posts and all to be done from his side only. And I have also planned some strategies as my production day and release day is coming, as soon as it is coming close. I also need to think about how to make the application more easy and more faster for people to use, more suited to their needs. So basically there are 3-4 things that I need to do. But if there are other things, some user messages, feedbacks, or any other thing that comes up that needs to be looked up urgently, then I will need to shift my focus to that. So let's guys start the day. Guys, I was doing my app fixing and all, but a very big problem has come, and iOS has rejected my app, and they have told me 2, 3, 4 points that I need to do in my application, like giving options for the user to delete, my screenshots are not accurate, and a lot of things they have told, man. Something related to privacy also, and they also want to know the model of the credit history and all. So I'm going to do it, guys, right now, and hopefully maybe try to do all those things and send it for review again. So yes guys, continuing on that. So well guys, after a lot of work and coding and fixes and everything, I have done the changes required by the App Store. I don't know even now will they accept it or not, but before going to distribution, I am doing one thing now. Firstly, that I will firstly release it on test flight, and once it is reviewed and accepted for testing, and once it is tested, then only I will go for the distribution. Earlier I made a mistake that I uploaded my build with the incorrect screenshots. I mean, the problem was that the screenshots were containing Android phone, and iOS checked the metadata and they rejected it. And there were other issues also, but the main was this one. And then there were some issues with the account thing, that if there is account creation, then it should be an option for deletion of the account. So I have done the code changes, auth changes, and have pushed one more release. It is in waiting for review now, and let's see, once it is approved for testing for the people, once iOS says that you can go for testing, then I will go for once testing is done, then I will go for distribution of my app onto the app store, and then will submit. Also, it will give me and the app store a cool down time. Otherwise, again, if it failed, then maybe it could be problem for both them and me, and then they would have to maybe manually reject everything. So I don't want that case to happen. So guys, after full day of work and coding and fixing things and changing my files, I have successfully done a lot of changes which were required for App Store fixes, and I have put them into review. And also I have started working on my localizations part, which was required. Half update is done, much of it is left, and I still need to figure out how to set up the whole thing. So I'm continuing on that part, but wrapping it for today. So meet you guys tomorrow. If you are following this journey, do like, share, subscribe this video to my channel, and please comment down below your emails or any feedbacks you have for it, so that I can give you app access and can do think about how can I improve my application. Thank you guys. Bye bye.